The Productivity and Time Management Coaching online course, Practitioner Diploma, is a Gateway Workshops online course designed to fit around your current lifestyle needs. This course was created to help you develop productivity and time management skills, declutter your home and/or business, and avoid procrastination. In addition, it will provide the key to healthy habits, achievable goals, and tried and tested systems, which you can utilize personally or professionally with your clients. During this course, we will dive deep into the fascinating world of habit theory and briefly explore its history. You will learn powerful strategies for cultivating positive habits and discover the hidden powers of secondary gains. We will also uncover the intricate relationship between habits, goals, and systems. And of course, we won't forget about the pivotal role of mindfulness in shaping our habits. We then move on to explore the phenomenon of procrastination, where we examine what procrastination truly is, unravel the secrets of temporal motivation theory, explore the complexities of emotional regulation theory, and equip ourselves with proven anti-procrastination techniques. We will explore the world of decluttering and learn the reasons behind clutter creation. We will also discover the mental health benefits of decluttering and gain valuable insights into what business decluttering entails. This module will teach you effective techniques to declutter your business, focusing on specific areas that are essential to decluttering. Additionally, we will provide you with some general tips for decluttering and cleaning. We will investigate the world of time management and uncover useful strategies to revolutionize how you approach your tasks. Topics will include time personality, the powerful Pareto analysis, also known as the 80-20 rule, the game-changing Pomodoro technique, the Eisenhower matrix, the life-changing getting things done method, the revolutionary rapid planning method, or RPM, and a comprehensive guide to additional tips for supercharging your task management skills. Lastly, we'll be digging deep into what holds us back from being as productive as we can be, exploring the theory of motion, uncovering the secret of the 2-minute rule, unlocking the power of mind models for turbocharging your productivity, and conducting an enlightening assessment to take stock of where you stand. You will also be provided with a comprehensive downloadable PDF Productivity Success Pack at the end, which includes actionable work templates. Once you have completed the course, you'll receive a professionally accredited and approved certificate, allowing you to use this knowledge with the general public and charge. Join the thousands of students who have trained with our award-winning school, boasting a proven track record, extremely high standards, and expert tutors. We offer massage, beauty, and spiritual courses at our venues across London and the rest of the UK, including Scotland and Ireland. And we also offer many online courses too. Gateway Workshops, the gateway to your potential.